All right, guys, we have successfully 4S swapped a Mudboss. Okay, guys, today we're at Shaka Hobbies here in White House, Texas, and we have a special video planned for you. But first, we have to pick up something. Woo! Come on in. Hello. Hey, here to pick up the Mudboss?
The Mudboss is over there.
Oh yeah, brand new Mudboss.
Mudboss.
This is perfect.
The Mudboss,
Yes, please.
that will be $1.
Alrighty. Oh, hold on. Let me make sure I'm not stiffing you any. No, that's all I got for you.
What?
And there you go.
Alright. Thank you so much. Pleasure doing business with you.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
Let's go and unbox this thing.
Yep. We got a brand new Mudboss. Yeah. Byron's gonna do the unboxing for us.
Oh, cool. So check this out.
Alright. Nice. There's a nice Mudboss for us. Oh, yeah. That's the brand new one.
Brand new.
What color did we get? We got, oh, red, white, and blue.
But it's red and it's dead.
Yep. Anything red dies on the channel. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
That was the easiest unboxing I've ever seen. Brand new Mudboss. We have a special thing we're doing to this brand new Mudboss. Stay tuned. Yeah, the body already has a little,
Sustained a little bit of damage.
little scuffaroos. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna be putting a 6S ESC and 4S motor on this brand new Mudboss. We're only gonna run it on 4S though. We're gonna see how fast this baby can go. All right, guys, we have successfully 4S swapped a Mudboss with a 6S ESC. Come check it out. So, as you see here, we have a VXL 6S system running a 4S LiPo on a Valenian 540 motor back here. And it has a 1154 tooth, and we're probably gonna go blow the tires off of this thing. So let's go check it out.
And they're not available yet.
Here we go. Let's check her out. Let's give her the spin test, Byron. Oh. Oh my God. Oh no. This is gonna be nasty. What do you think, Bryce? How do you think it's gonna turn out?
I think it should be good. I think it's gonna be pretty crazy.
Pretty crazy? All right, let's go try this out. All right, now we're out here in Mexico. Oh my God. You can hear the slipper just mad. I mean, this thing's brand new. We just took it off the shelf. Oh my God. It sounds so mad, doesn't it?
Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Definitely not at the time.
He needs to see what the stock one is. It's so slow.
Oh, what is this?
Here we go. Oh my gosh. We pulled up to a race. Whoa. Oh my God. That's insane. How's the body looking so far?
Nothing wrong with it at all. It's not scuffed up.
Yeah, a little scuff right here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the slipper going out. You can just smell the slipper. The motor's cold. ESC's cold from just that. So yes, we burnt the slipper clutch, but now we're gonna put in the upgraded slipper clutch from an E-Revo. So we put the slipper in there now. Oh. Is that the gear already?
Was that the gear?
All right, after the new gear, the second gear, let's try her out again. Oh, that was like a quarter throttle.
Go back.
This thing crazy.
Okay, watch it whenever it comes to the dirt.
Uh-oh. I think that was good.
Brett,
I landed under power.
give it throttle. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, here.
Hold on.
Keep going.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, just keep going.
It's gonna self-clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we put a 62 tube since we can't keep any gears in this thing. Let's do it again. Okay. I've never seen a Mudboss wheelie like this. I'm sorry. Traxxas modified. That's it, bro. Yeah, let's check the motor temp. The motor temp light.
Oh,
Yeah, warmer than before.
but I mean, we are running 11.62.
All right, Byron's taking it over now.
62.11.
62.11. Oh my gosh. That was actually sick. What did you just do?
I smacked the crap out of that.
You smacked that rock right there. Oh. Oh my God. Do we give Bryce a turn?
Do you think we ought to give him a turn if we hit him with it?
I don't know.
See it when it feels like we hit him with it.
All right.
Bryce, stand still.
Yeah, the tires are pretty worn down.
Look, we have holes.
We have rock chips.
We have holes.
Oh, actual holes in the brand new
have
body.
holes.
All right, Bry's on here now. Oh, you're good. You're good. Oh my God. Yeah, let's do a temp check.
Stick your tongue to it for more than 2 seconds.
Then you're good.
Stick your tongue to it.
Stick your tongue to it, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, holy crap, that hurt.
I mean, not as hot as my Slash one gets, but it's still warm for a brand new motor. Oh yeah, bro.
Oh no!
Bro, how'd you dent the can, man?
Look at this, right?
Oh my gosh. This was brand new 25 minutes ago. All right.
Hot.
I know, dude. It's really hot. My phone's gonna overheat.
I can tell it already is overheated.
Why can't I turn? What's that noise?
I think it's telling us it's time to cool off.
All right. All right, guys, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. The 4S Mudboss versus the stock Mudboss. Let's see how this goes. Kyle, you call it.
I think Brett's gonna win this one.
Which one is it though?
The blue one. The blue one on the right. The blue one on the right.
All right, Kyle, count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
I barely even hit the gas. Oh. I barely even hit the gas.
Now we trade.
All right, we traded, so now I got the stock Mudboss. I jumped! Oh, there's water! There's water! This is a brand new... What did you hit?
I don't know.
Did you hit the culvert?
I think so. But that's okay.
Is it still running? Oh yeah, she's good. Oh my god. Oh my.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
All right, bro, I got the stock one now. Should have just came like this.
Yeah, why don't know what kind of awesome system is?
Whee!
I think the slipper clutch came loose.
Did it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, rising the culvert. I think it's just the body.
He's dead. Oh, look at that. He's climbing.
He's climbing out. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh.
Mark!
Turtled.
There's a car coming. Why is that back tire like that?
Oh, why is it all wobbly?
Because
Wait, bring it back. Well, it's extremely hot, and it's a little wiggly. Actually, I'm surprised these drive shafts have held up. Oh, they're twisted though.
yeah, they're twisting.
All right, let me get a turn before you kill this thing, Brian.
Hold on one second.
Oh my god. Uh-oh. See, I knew you're gonna kill it right
You
there.
can have it now.
Yeah, of course you're gonna give it to me now. All right, bro, I think I still take your butt with a broke gear.
Just go ahead and send her.
Here we go. The broke 4S versus the 2S.
She's broken.
Yeah.
She's limping. Oh. And the body is so screwed up. Oh, it's fine. Just oh. You're disqualified.
Go.
There's something cool. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. See if you can make it do a wheelie. Oh, that doesn't sound good.
That sounds like a dead squirrel.
Oh,
Is that the motor?
no, that's the body. Oh. What are you doing over there?
That's nitro. That's a nitro car.
Good. That one's electric, that one's nitro. It's winning. Oh, never mind. So do you think 4S is too much for it?
4S is a little too much for it, but it's amazing.
I think we should do runs. I think we should run 6S on it one time.
All right, let's try it.
Put a metal gear on it and send it.
Yep.
Send it.
I think we should do that for the next video. Stay tuned.
Look at a squirrel. Squirrel. Only has reverse. Floor it. Ah. Oh my God. It is screaming. He made it.
What do you think of the stock Mudboss, brah?
Not as good, but it's fun to drive.
Not as
Dude,
good,
it's a
but fun to
blast,
drive.
right? I mean, it's pretty good. It just doesn't wheelie like the other one. The other one just keeps breaking. Piece of junk.
It's almost like it wasn't meant for 4S.
Yeah, but the tires were.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed us 4S swapping a brand new Mudboss today. If you guys are interested, we have all these RC shirts straight out of RCing on our website. Go to lifeofballin.com. And please support our videos, as this was very stupid, but a lot of fun. See you next time.
We're broke.